How to draw a gingerbread man, a step-by-step guide for kids. What you will need: an A4 size plain paper or plain white sheet, a pencil, an eraser, colors. Draw a gingerbread man in 9 simple steps. Step 1. Draw the head. Begin by drawing a big circle near the top of your paper. This will be the gingerbread man's head. Step 2. Draw one arm. On the left side of the circle, draw a curved arm that looks like a stretched out letter S. Make sure it bends down slightly. Step 3. Draw the other arm. Now, draw the same curved arm on the right side of the circle. This makes both arms look even and balanced. Step 4. Draw one leg. Starting from the bottom of the left arm, draw a curved line down and back up to make the first leg. It should look like a stretched out U. Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such creative and artistic videos. Continue watching. Step 5. Draw the other leg. On the right side, draw another curved line down and back up to complete the second leg. Now your gingerbread man has 2 arms and 2 legs. Step 6. Add icing to the arms and legs. Add wavy lines near the ends of the arms and legs to make them look like icing. These lines make your gingerbread man extra festive. Step 7. Draw a bow tie and buttons. Draw a small bow tie under the head by making 2 triangles and a small circle in the middle. Add 2 round buttons down the center of his body. Step 8. Draw the face. Add 2 small circles for the eyes and a big smile below them. This gives your gingerbread man a happy face. Step 9. Color your gingerbread man. Use brown for the body to make it look like baked gingerbread. Color the bow tie red and leave the icing lines white. Add some pink to the smile to make it even cuter. This gives your gingerbread man a happy face. Great job! Your gingerbread man is ready. You can make more friends for him and decorate them however you like. Enjoy your drawing.